interviews, process level training, preparing your resume, cover note, everything we will help you. But
Okay.
this is the part of the process, part of the training. Okay, now we are here in different places. 20 locations, 20 plus locations we are here in Bangalore. Delhi 1, Rajasthan 3, Andhra Pradesh now 2 centers are there. USA 3, Mumbai 1, Bihar 1. Okay, so we are here in different locations. Now we will teach here various concepts, financial modeling, equity research, M&A, valuation, fund accounting, NAV calculations, hedge funds, private equity funds, which you are asking the hedge funds, I want to go for the private equity. So complete process of private equity funds we will teach you along with the hedge funds, along with the normal mutual funds also will teach you. Okay. With real time projects and assignment you will get. So this course, if you will see, it is designed by our expert faculty. Okay, and we are keep doing revisions by revision one, version two, version two. We will keep update. Quarter to quarter, we will revise the syllabus as per the demand from the fund accounting companies. Real time projects you will get updated with market trends. We will prepare you for
Okay.
preparing your resume. We will help you preparing you for the mock interviews. Placement assistance. Yes, we have a placement drives over here. Monday, Tuesday, we have a placement drives over here. Even
Okay.
you are added in our group also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So there we have a placement drives. Even we have various channels in which we are informing yourself further. See, having said that, you are not having any limitations. For unlimited times, you can apply for the openings from HACM site. Okay, suppose you are
Okay.
facing any interview rounds, you have any doubts, you want to know what type of questions HR can ask, that complete knowledge and training will give you. Sample questions also will give you because companies will also share with us that these are the questions you can tell
Mm-hmm.
your associates to get them, to prepare and then come for the interview sessions. So that thing we will help you. Complete operational training will give you. Project-based internship also will give you. Case studies also we will teach you. Okay, you can easily step into the world of fund accounting. See, you will learn about front office, middle office, back office. Now, when I am telling
Mm-hmm.
about front office, middle office, back office, you can see actually that whenever we are talking about offices, we are talking about the job roles also that you can, do over here. The front office, middle office, back office. You can work with stockbroking companies. You can work with investment banking companies under their fund accounting division. You can work with the banking companies having the stockbroking division. Okay, now different offices you can play different type of roles. Equidealer,
Okay.
researcher, RM manager, market researcher. Middle office, then see this is called complete trade life cycle. Trade will initiate over here, trade will be validated over here. Now you are asking about the fund accounting process, which is the back operation process. So this is where you stand
Mm-hmm.
for NAV calculations, reconciliation process.
Yeah.
Okay, trade will be settled down over here. Transaction reporting will be done. So here, this is your process, fund accounting process. But having said that, you can play different type of operational roles over here. Loan mortgage process, custody
Understood.
settlement, bond analyst, market analyst, fraud analyst, KYC process, fund accounting process. So this is what you want to learn, right?
Yeah.
In this process also you can go because you already have a strong background. So we will try to leverage your current experience also. Whatever is your current experience, we will try to leverage so that there is no need for you to start from beginning.
Mm-hmm. Understood.
Okay. So fees is very, very affordable over here. See, having said that, most of the working associates are joining online only. But it is up to the choice of the associate. Whichever mode they want, they can join.
Mm-hmm. Understood.
With we have agile placement process, weekly placement drives, end-to-end learning. See, we will pick up one investment banking company and we'll teach the entire fund accounting process, starting from the reconciliation to the NAV accounting. Okay, regarding their
Mm-hmm.
different business units also, P funds, listed companies, unlisted companies, market value, fair value, ratios, all modules will be covered as a part of the program. Financial modeling part, complex models. Multiple chances you will get to apply for different fund accounting companies. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley. Diversified entry point, front office, middle office, back office. But you target for middle office
Mm-hmm.
and back operation roles only.
Okay.
Unlimited revisions you can come. Suppose your classes will stop, there is no limit of any classes. You want to come, most welcome, you can keep coming actually. Unlimited revisions, unlimited classes. Repeat till you master because some associates takes more period of time. So we understand. We give them a leverage time also. No pressure that 2 to 3 months
Understood.
only
Okay.
you have to complete, because you are working also. Many associates are working. They will come, they will tell, sir, we need time actually. Give us 2 months more time to complete because we are working also some issues also. So that time we will understand your concerns.
Understood. Okay.
Easy EMI facility with 0% interest payment that you have to pay. Offline, online, hybrid mode also. Sometime if you are busy, you can also come for online. You can, come for both the ways, online or offline. Skill based approach. Practical training, we impart practical training over here. Dedicate support team we have over here, which will give you. See, join online or offline. See, live interactive classes. It means faculty will come, faculty will teach you. Okay, faculty will
Okay.
also record the sessions. So those sessions will be shared with you so that you can,
Mm.
consume later course of time in future also. Basics to advanced
Okay.
modules we will cover as a part of the program. End-to-end operational workflow.
Understood.
See, you once you will become fund accountant now, you can also upgrade to IT. It means whenever associate is joining any operational work into investment banking companies, like they will join fund accounting process. Now they will come, they will tell, sir, how we can upgrade ourselves because we are receiving 20 lakhs package now, how to upgrade. That time they can upgrade to business analyst programs from us.
Mm.
So
Understood.
if
Okay.
so if you will see, we have a business analyst programs for only the associates who have done fund accounting or investment banking courses from us so that they can upgrade themselves. This one, okay. So this part will come later on, not now, after 1 year, 2 year. Like what is
Okay.
next? You will ask now, sir, what is next now? That time we will
Mm.
discuss. So we will try to create a foundation for you. You can easily access the course via your mobile. Revision classes are free. Videos we will provide you free. Ebooks and e-links we will give you. To download the notes also, you can take the printout. Soft copy we will give you. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Trade life cycle complete process we will teach you. Starting from trade initiation to the reconciliation, which is called the fund accounting process and settlement. See, all offices you should be aware of, because if any issue will come into the back operation role, then you should be aware from where the trades are flowing. You cannot tell I am working into the fund accounting process. I don't know what issue has happened into the front office.
Mm.
So when you are
Understood.
going to
Okay.
resolve the issue, because here the nav errors can come. So how you are going to resolve the issue? By knowing about complete trade life cycle.
Okay.
Along with system level training, IMS, STP, TSC. Okay, this also we will teach you. Fund accounting process, derivatives, NAV, recon, custodian, financial collateral, recon, migration, audit, two-way recon, three-way recon, resolving the breaks. This also I will share with you. You can go through this pitch book also. Fund accounting training for your career growth. So how we will start? Internal process of top investment banking companies for their fund accounting process will be taught. We will pick up one company, we'll teach the entire fund accounting process. Unlimited revision, unlimited access to notes and videos, 100 hours of online project-based internship, preparing you for the mock interview, resume and cover note, 24 into 7 email support with agile placement process,
Mm.
weekly placement drives that you are asking. See, you will see 5 to 6 business processes we will cover. Capital market, trade life cycle, research, financial modeling, fund accounting. Financial modeling, you should be aware, because when you will do the recon, might be you also have to look into the financials of the PE funds. So we'll teach you for the
Okay.
research, equity research also chapters will be taught to you as a part of the process. So one course, all processes will be taught. Now you see
Mm.
global skill set,
Understood. Okay.
capital market products, equities, ETD, TLC, fund accounting, recon, alternative investment funds, hedge funds, PE funds, NAV, reconciliation, NAV accounting, recon, two-way recon, three-way recon, flexible lending, 24 by 7 we have student support. So this is all from my side. In a brief, I have
Okay.
told you about the
Understood.
course and all. Now you can ask your doubts so that I can help you.
Yeah, sure. So when it comes to these classes, so how, like, are there any batches or like how does it work usually? Because people will come in between
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. So how
See,
does it
I
usually
I
work?
will tell you, we have batches every week. So every week we are starting a new batch. So today also we started new batch. Tomorrow also we have new batches. Okay. Having said
Hmm.
that, next week also we have new batches, 16 and 17th.
Okay.
So we are starting weekly. We will start new batches because here students will keep coming and we are keep creating batches. So at any point of time, if students want to enroll for this particular week, suppose you will tell I want to start my sessions from 16th. So you should
Mm-hmm.
get, your get yourself enroll before 13th, Wednesday. Every week you have Wednesday cutoff time.
Okay, understood.
Okay,
So,
so that
like,
we
how
can
many people will be there
see. I
in a
will, I will, I
batch?
will tell you. We have, online or offline, whichever mode you will join. Okay, we will take,
Mm-hmm.
5 to 6 members per batch. The batch, it is not congested where you will feel suffocated and you cannot ask your doubts. So you always have
Mm-hmm.
a room, air. You can talk to the faculty. You can take a pause. You can ask your
Okay,
doubts. Feel comfortable. Okay. So batch size is six
okay,
members, 5 to 6 members we have per batch.
per batch. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Understood.
Hmm?
So, so the placement support will start after once the course ends, is it?
Once you will, complete the course. Okay. We have done a tie-ups over here with most of the fund accounting and investment banking companies. Okay. So, and also we are keep sharing all the openings over here. Accenture, Anand Rathi, BNP, Cognizant, Deutsche Bank, Deutsche Empower, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, JP Morgan, okay, HCL Growth, Graphics, Motilal, different companies, Morgan Stanley, different companies,
Okay.
State Street, Trade Genie, Wealthy, Wipro. See, this is, I will tell you, once you are joining the program, at that point only your process of training you will start. Okay, teaching you
Okay.
for, the particular process, preparing you for the mock interviews, preparing your resume, cover note, okay, providing you the internship over here. So the day you are joining, the same day the process will begin. Okay, but how you can apply? You can only apply after you will complete the session because we don't want you to divert your attention. You complete your course, complete your training, and
Mm-hmm.
then you step into the world, into this new world. And also before that, we will take your sessions. We'll see your resume, cover note. You'll try to leverage your current profile also. You cannot go as a fresher in the market right now because you are already doing some package, right? So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so in that way, you will, the trainings will be given, and yeah.
Understood. Okay.
Hmm?
Got it. Okay. So, since I'm from non-fund accounting
Background.
route,
Hmm.
what is the chances of me likely getting into this route? Because usually what I've heard is that if you have to go to fund accounting route, they only prefer candidates with the past fund accounting experience.
See, there are, because I will tell you, I know this particular case study because what
Mm-hmm.
happens just 3 months before, 2.5 3 months before. We have got a call from TCS. TCS has called us. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
they were having a bunch of employees which they were wanting us to train. So we went, 300 plus folks were there where we have taught them for the fund accounting process. And they are
Understood.
having a JP Morgan client. So they told us that you teach them and then these students will, give the interview rounds for JP Morgan client. So when we asked about their background, they were coming from different streams actually. They were not from fund accounting process at all. They're from bonds market, accounting market, finance background, debentures market. So it is
Mm.
not like that whenever you are from fund accounting only then you will be getting hired. Experienced folks are required. Yes, you have experience in any particular financial process, accounting process, they will consider actually. Having said that, whenever you will apply for opening, they will ask that what skill set that you have learned. But that is not the complete truth, which you have heard might be from some sources that only if you are working in fund accounting process, only then you will be getting hired. This is not true. Because this is true, we are seeing in front
Understood.
of our eyes also. Many companies are hiring, even though if you are not from fund accounting process.
Understood. Okay. And so, how are the salaries in this stream, fund accounting?
See, I will tell you, salary starts like crazy. Okay, so we have saw me various folk they are earning 50 lakhs also, for 40 lakhs also, but it depends on with which company you are working and in which
Mm-hmm.
process you are working, what job role that you are playing over there. Having said that, whenever you are moving from one business process to other business process, the general hike that you can expect is 30 to 40% hike. Whatever is your package, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, you can expect a hike of 30-40% from your current package actually. Okay, once you are there into the same process to process when you will work 30-40% hike it goes via whenever you are shifting from one company to other company. But yes, when you will upgrade yourself to IT skill set, okay, there you will see
Mm-hmm.
you can also ask 100% hike. Suppose you will tell I want to work with the fund accounting companies as a business analyst. There also if you will ask a hike of 100% they will give you. Okay, so fund accounting operations are having different type of packages. Fund accounting IT are having different operations IT are having different type of packages. Okay, so more crazy packages
Mm-hmm.
if you want to see, then 1 year after 1 year when you will move to fund accounting companies, you try to shift to operations IT.
Okay, okay,
Hmm?
understood.
Got my point, right? Huh.
Okay, yeah, okay. Um, so yeah, I think that's it right now.
Clear, right?
So
So
mostly, I think the number of companies that are offering fund accounting roles, I think there are less. I'm not sure. Like I only know like top investment banking companies like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, or Goldman. Uh,
see,
there's
no, no,
there are a few more.
I just want to throw some light over here. See, openings are
Yeah.
dearth of openings. Capital market process, fund accounting process. I am telling to you, we are only getting daily, 5 to 6 openings daily over here from different companies actually. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Understood. Okay.
if you are seeing over here 20 days, we have 20 working days if we will count. Three openings also, if you are getting, you see actually over here, 5 to 60 companies will call us actually. Okay, having
Mm.
said that, they have roles in different dimensions. Front office, some are hiring for middle office, some are hiring for back office. So fund accounting is having lots of scope, lots of demand is there. But the thing is that when you are applying to these fund accounting companies, your resume should be well filtered. You should be aware of the skill set. You should be able to face the interview rounds. Okay, you should be able to,
Understood. Okay.
yeah, so you should be able to justify the technical work that they are asking from you. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
openings in Bangalore, I will tell you, there is, if someone will tell that, I am having idli and sambar shop in Bangalore and nobody is eating, will somebody will believe? It is basic necessity actually. People here, staple food is idli, sambar, dosa. In the same way, in
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore location, when you are searching for a job of investment banking for fund accounting, I will tell you, there is no shortage of openings as it comes to the Bangalore market. What we are seeing right now. So many openings are there with different fund accounting companies that they are approaching to us.
Got it. Understood. And also, like, I have heard that once I move into fund accounting, it'll be very, what is it? It's very hard to move out of fund accounting, because other streams will not recognize fund accounting course because the accounting will be restricted to the funds and not outside of the funds. So I wanted to understand on this point.
See, what happens over here is that I will tell you, whenever
Mm-hmm.
you will join the fund accounting companies, see, most of the investment banking companies are having the fund accounting business with them. Suppose you will join any
Mm-hmm.
JP Morgan Chase Bank state companies, okay? First of all,
Mm-hmm.
whoever will join this topmost companies, they are not going to live till they will get retired. Whatever we are seeing right now, once you will become a part of JP Morgan Chase Bank, State Street, Deutsche Bank, you are not going to leave this company because they will give you, apart from your salary, you will get so many perks over there. Having said that, whenever you will work with the operational team, might be you will get bored. Bored in the sense you are working with the same process. Now you want to excel. Now you want to see the other part of
Mm-hmm.
your business actually. Now how to reach there over here actually. Okay. See, you see any of the businesses, whether you will work with the accounting process also. Currently you are working with the Bosch. Okay. See, after
Mm-hmm.
some point of time, might be you will get bored from your current job. Now, what is the other way? Whenever you want to move ahead, you always have to work from the business side actually. There are various type of entries in any companies. Operational side and business side, where you want to move. Operations, then you have to work as an operational guy. Business side, it means you will talk
Mhm.
to the stakeholders. See, the real money, if you want to earn, and real, interest, if you want to feel a thrill actually of any business, you'd always move to the business side. First, you move to the operational world, and then you move to the business world actually. So, having said that, you become a operational analyst in fund accounting companies. Then you try to move to
Mhm.
their business side, where you are talking to the stakeholders, you are bringing new businesses, you are, giving them presentations, you are making your own teams, you are bringing, foreign clients to the companies. That process you want to jump into. See, I will tell you, fund accounting, it is having, a good opportunity plus a good demand. Okay. Whenever you will tell, I want to work with, I am a fund accountant, doors of USA visa will open in front of you. Because in visa time, they will ask, what is your profession? You will tell fund accountant, easily they will issue your visa. Second thing is that, having said that, fund accountant guy can work with different business processes. Mutual funds you can work with, banks you can work with, investment banking companies you can work with, trust you can work with, P fund, hedge funds you can work with. So you choose a line which is having those type of businesses actually. Having said that, whenever you will move to the business side, in any of the domain you can move into business analyst. You become a consultant actually over after that point of time. Okay. So if you want to earn a good package, a good career high, you should work with the same process. Fund accountant, okay, I'm working as a fund accountant. Suppose actually I will tell you, a person who is playing a cricket, he cannot tell I will play a cricket and then I will play a football also, tennis also. No. You have one line, you master that line. Okay, you have a control, full skill set you learn about that particular process, particular domain actually. Be stick to that line only. Work on the same track so that your process, so that your career will grow very fast. Okay. So you are a
Understood.
fund
Okay.
accountant, you choose a company which is having a fund accounting business. Having said that, there are so many companies which is having the fund accounting business nowadays. Mutual funds cannot be stopped. Capital market cannot be stopped. Okay, people will
Mm.
not purchase, to buy and sell NAV units actually. So these businesses cannot evergreen business actually. Even in time of Corona also, no fund accountant has got fired actually. Till now also they have a demand and they are not firing any employees. Rather, if you will ask, IT employees are getting fired actually because the AI has came which is doing the coding over there.
Mm.
Okay, so with that line, if you will see so much of demand. Mhm. But yes, you should
So
stick. Hmm.
one of the doubt is also that how is the AI impact on fund accounting course?
See, I will again tell you, funda content, it is all about checking the businesses, trades which is flowing into and doing their reconciliation work, recon work. So once the trade will flow, the data will be checked. Reading the broker statement cannot be done via agent. Even though if there are agents, you have to upload a file, you have to download the file, and then you are, going to, upload the file and you're going to check the trade details. Okay, so AI cannot impact your work because it is having so much of manual work, so much of detailing work, so much of recon work, that anyhow reports that what it will flow now, a person should be there to cross check those reports actually. Okay, and to compare the values
Mhm.
over there. So rather AI is a helpful tool which is helping the fund accounting guys, but fund accounting guys jobs cannot be eaten by AI because some operational teams, it is required for them to sit on those automation process also and to run the complete procedure. When you will learn about the fund accounting process, there we will teach you how the automation is being done over there. Having said that, there are no FT cuts actually. Okay, there are no job
Mhm.
cuts into this domain. It is all about operational work. It was there, it is there, it will be there.
Understood. Okay.
Yeah, rather
Got it.
you have to use these AI tools to to fasten your process actually. Okay, or to help you in your current work. It cannot replace you. It cannot happen because there are so many steps. When you will learn, we'll teach you how the Because you have to do a login. Login cannot be done by a robot actually. Okay, a robot login, it is not allowed with the investment banking companies. A person FT has to do a login. They will use their RSI token. They will log in into the portal. They will download the reports actually. So those steps cannot be done by a robot. So the basic steps it is there. You will see over here systematic steps are there. The FTs are required over there. Checking the trades actually, checking how the trades are getting flowed. Okay, then signing off the NAV. So there are various steps over there. So AI cannot do all this kind of work. Yes, report checking can be done. That is allowed over there. But your business should approve.
Mm,
And most of the investment banking companies still they are not allowing. As far as we are also aware of the process, they are not allowing because if the trades are being uploaded in any AI channel, the data can be leaked. Here, the thing is that when
mhm,
any mutual fund will buy any kind of stocks, they don't want any third party to be aware of whatever they are buying or selling. So when you will work with this fund accounting company, you will sign an NDA form that they will tell you that you cannot
mm.
trade. Okay, because if you are
Mm.
trading, then you can replicate their trades.
Okay.
Okay, so from that angle, you be assured.
Understand. Mm. Okay. That's it, I think. Yeah.
ठीक है विष्णु. Then if you have any doubts, you can call me. Then we can have
Okay.
a chat. ठीक है. Thank you, विष्णु.
Sure. Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.